lecturer and my fellow friends. I am Devon Raj.
I am Daniel Ibrahim.
From DEQ5A. Today I want to explain about my project. The name was Smart Signage Board with Solar. In many public places such as school and railway station, notice board is the most important thing because many of the people which will know the path by the notice board. So we build our notice board for our college, especially for new students. It helps to know the path for the new students. The project name was the signage board with solar. So we plan to put this project at our college in Green Square. After this, my partner will explain about this project, about objective and scope. Thank you.
Hi, hello, good morning to my lecturers. I'm here to talk about the objective of our project. For example, here was two things were combined into one. First is about the solar, and the second one is the signboard. So they combined into the smart signage board. The objective of this board is to help the new students to find the correct way to the class, library, and many more places. So I said there were two pieces. Firstly, I want to tell the objective for the board. So the objective of the board is to show the correct pathway to the students and show the comments to the place they work in. And the second objective for the solar is to power the board without electricity. So the board is wireless. So there were a solar panel and a battery. For these batteries work as a storage for the board. Next, I want to show the components I used for doing my project. First, this was a P10 dot matrix board, and here I got my Bluetooth module and my buzzer. This is my Arduino Uno, and all connection to the board was connected here. This is power supply from the storage box.
Apart from the signage board, solar system also main source for the signage board. So I used solar panel, storage battery, Arduino Uno, LCD screen, voltage divider, and current module sensor. This is solar panel. The solar panel was trap the electricity and storage the electric to the storage box. The storage box will be give the power supply to the P10 dot matrix board. The LCD screen I use for the show the voltage and current of the P10 battery box. Okay, now I want to show a demo of this project. So we must on the power supply from the storage box, and the voltage is 4.1 volt and the current is 1.72 ampere.
After opening the board, the main thing we need to do is we need to open the Bluetooth terminal module, connect to HC05. It will connect to the board and it will make a beep sound. Okay, now we need to enter the command according to the button. So as an example, now for button 1, we need to go to Devon Wawasan. Okay, the pathway is here for Devon Wawasan. And now I want to talk about the advantages of this notice board. The first advantage is it's wireless. We can bring anywhere, and it's also easy to add the code from the add code and change the places. It's easy. We can add any place from any map. Now I want to talk about the advantages of the smart signage board. The first advantage is the board is wireless. We can bring anywhere to program it, and the codes is so easy to reprogram the codes, and we can add and we can minus some places according to our own wish. The second advantage is this LCD screen. It will show us the correct amount of current and voltage that was sent to the board, and the solar is also a big advantage. It can save electricity, and also at the night time the storage will operate as a main source. When the sunny day, in the morning time, the solar will act like a main source for the board and make the board works, and it also will recharge the storage and keep it ready for the night time to work. Thank you. And now my friend will talk about disadvantage of the board.
The disadvantage of this project is not much, but the disadvantage is the project was made from the wood, so it can be easily breakable. Then we use solar panel to our project, so we must use for the sunny days. In rainy days, we can't use the solar panel, and we can't work out our project. As the conclusion, we made this project for help the new student. The new student get the path or way for the new place by this project, so it can help more helpful to the new students.
And also I'd like to thank my supervisor, Ponnoli Yuzana, to help us to do and finish our project. Thank you.
Thank you.